RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to do a quick unboxing here today. Got the WPL C24-1. So yes, a quick unboxing and a quick look at it, and yeah. So I picked this up just to, I would be able to do a proper comparison video and show you guys the difference between the new RTR from WPL and the old RTR from WPL. So that's coming up in a upcoming video, and today we're just having a look at this old RTR version, the C24-1. Pretty sweet little truck. Charger. All the trimmings, which is nice. A lot of details in this little truck here, and it's super cheap as well. And yeah, this is a really nice body, and it looks great. So I'm going to fit all the trimmings, and we'll have a closer look after. Okay, so this must be new stock. Got the new 4-wire battery. I was expecting the old 2-wire with the old connector. You can see here just the cable between the. So this is what it looks like underneath. Got the plastic drive shafts, plastic axles, really hard compound tire here, really hard rubber, and 180 sized motor, which is not counter rotating as the new one, but more about the new one in a upcoming video. Got working headlights, look awesome. Really like this grille with the bumper here. Got a lot of nice scale details. Which I'm going to fit soon. Got some extra links here as well. Awesome little screwdriver, or not. Some toe hitches, or whatever you call these. The red looks really good, accentuating the black on the bumper. Got the snorkel here, which goes like that. So yeah, just let me fit all the details, and we'll pick up from there. These stickers are so-called transfer stickers, as you can see. There we go. Look at that. Looks great, doesn't it? So I really like the C24 model with the bed in the rear and the cabs. It looks awesome. They also sell the, what do you call it, the cab cover, if you want that. I really like this one with the matte black finish on the inside the rear bed. Add some scale look to it. Stickers, and the sticker there as well. Also got some of these. Not sure if I want to fit them. So yeah, that's just the super quick unboxing with the of the C24-1 run video coming soon, as well as a comparison video to this guy, the C24-1, the new RTR model from WPL. So we're going to get to the bottom with which one is the best. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite WPL. What do you think about this one? Also got some other videos coming up. Got this a while back, haven't done a video with this yet. Maybe some more Tamiya videos and some other cool stuff coming up. So make sure you don't miss any of it and subscribe.